Hi friends! So we are here
for our house.
We're on the third week of the drywall. So we wanted to come up and see how they've done. They look like they have almost finished the mudding part, and I guess they'll have to go back through and sand it. And then hopefully they'll be able to get started on painting soon. So I actually have to go pick out some paint colors at Lowe's, and I want to go actually this evening because they have a sale, buy two get one free. So I want to take advantage of that sale. And then we also took advantage of a 4th of July sale that they were having on appliances. So we ended up getting like 20 doors, a stackable washer and dryer, dishwasher, refrigerator, and then the oven and stove for, I think the total was like $5,800. They have something called a VSP program where it's like a bulk savings thing where if you spend $1,500 or more, they run you through this bulk savings program, and I think it took off like $3,900. I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough of the house again with everything that's been mudded and show you all how it's looking. They did end up wrapping my beams in the living room with drywall, and they were just supposed to leave those exposed because we were just going to wrap them with better wood. It's actually quite nice. Look how hot it's been. Okay, I went to Lowe's this evening and I ended up getting 15 gallons of a paint called Dover White by Sherwin-Williams, only to find out after I did research when I got home that it has a yellow tint to it. So then I started to panic all night, and I turned back around the next morning and returned all of the paint because I literally could not stop thinking about it. And I ended up going with something called Alabaster by Sherwin-Williams. Guys, it's time to go to bed. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Thank you all for hanging out with me through this update. We're so excited to see progress. Don't forget to subscribe and like and